Okay, good afternoon. Now we are going to discuss about the differences between plant cell and animal cell. The major differences between plant cell and animal cell. Even plant is also made up of cells. Already we are seeing onion peel cells. Okay. Now, we are drawn in rough diagram. This is especially for this is a rough diagrams of what animal cell. This is an animal cell. This one is a plant cell. Plant cell. What are the differences between plant cell and animal cell? Generally, okay, focus here. Okay, generally in a cell, what are the cell organelles are present in a cell? Okay, this is the what? A cell membrane and nucleus and cytoplasm. Okay, these are the cell organelles that consist each and every cell. But in plant and animal cell, okay, this is the typical, that is not original actually, it is not. Typical means what? Just a model, okay. Typical model cell, animal cell. In that model animal cell outer covering layer, this is outer covering layer. This outer covering layer is cell membrane. Cell membrane. Animal cell, for example, human being, vertebrates, whatever animal, the animal, even skin, okay, the outer covering layer is what? The cell is covering with, cell is bonded with, cell is covering with what? Cell membrane or plasma membrane, and also called plasma membrane. One point. But plant cell, this is the plant cell. The plant cell outer covering layer, which is the covering, the plant cell is covered by, the outer covering layer of the plant cell is cell wall. Okay, the first difference, try to observe the difference. The outer covering layer of the animal cell is cell membrane. The outer covering layer of the plant cell is cell wall. Cell wall is the complex one. And in plant cell, inner membrane also, two membrane. Outer covering layer is cell wall, inner membrane is again cell membrane. Two membranes is there, one important. And in plant cell, the nucleus is located, the nucleus, this is we can call nucleus, very important part of genetic material. The nucleus is located in middle of the cell. Most of the animal cell, it is located in middle of the cell. But in plant cell, it is located especially at side region. That means what? Edge of the cell. Okay. The nucleus is located. The nucleus is located edge of the cell. Nucleus is located in edge of the cell. Why nucleus is located edge of the cell? In plant cell, nucleus is located in middle of the cell. In animal cell, in animal cell, nucleus is located in middle of the cell. In plant cell, nucleus is located at edge of the cell. Why? Because in mature plant cell, it is covering with what? Vacuole. That means in plant cell, vacuole is large in size. Vacuole is large in size. In animal cell, vacuole may be small or absent. Vacuoles are small or absent. Try to observe the third difference. First difference is animal cell outer covering layer is what? Cell membrane. Plant cell outer covering layer is cell wall. Second point. Nucleus is located in middle of the cell. Nucleus is located edge of the cell in plant cell. Second point. Third point. Vacuole is, in animal cell, vacuole is very small or absent. In animal cell, vacuole is, in plant cell, vacuole is very large in size. Third difference. The fourth difference is what? In animal cell, chloroplast is absent. You know already what is chloroplast. Chloroplast is the cause of green color. Chlorophyll is present. It is so that photosynthesis occurs. In animal cell, no photosynthesis. Photosynthesis not occurs in animal cell. Why? Because chloroplast is absent. Plastids are absent and also called plastids. Plastids are absent. In plant cell, the plastids are present, especially for so many plastids. Plastid means not chloroplast. Chloroplasts are present in plant cell. That is one more difference of animal cell and plant cell. And last one, centriole. Centriole, which are useful for the cell division structures, cell divisions. You can call centrioles. Centrioles are present in animal cell. Here, no centrioles. Centrioles are absent in plant cell. These are the different major difference of plant cell and animal cell. What are the major difference? One is outer covering layer, cell membrane. Here, outer covering layer we can call cell membrane. No, sorry, cell wall. And nucleus is located in middle of the cell. Nucleus is located at edge of the cell. And third point, especially for vacuole, is very small or absent. The vacuole is large in size. And fourth point, especially for chloroplasts are absent, chloroplasts are present. Centrioles are present, centrioles are absent. These are the major differences of plant cell and animal cell. Thank you.